I'm Sandy from ReluctantEntertainer.com. Today I'm sharing with you how to make an EPIC charcuterie board. You may be asking what a charcuterie board is. To be honest, I had to look it up myself, but it's a French term for cured meats or the art of preparing meats. So basically, you want to find the largest board that you can find. I found a giant board, and lately I've been known as the charcuterie queen. You can just ask my friends about it. I've hosted many parties in my home, and this is often the main meal. This is what I love about a charcuterie board. Forget the main dish. You've got everything that you need right here in this giant board. We season our board with beeswax and mineral oil, but if your board is not food safe, you want to lay down parchment paper. The next thing is to visualize where you want your food. I like to lay down some wood dishes mixed in with small glass dishes. The beauty of a charcuterie board is that you can make it your own style. I like to lay my food down in rows, and the first thing I do is fill up the bowls with anything that needs to land in a bowl. For instance, olives, nuts, bruschetta. The next thing is adding cheese. I like to add a soft cheese and a hard cheese. Sometimes I add brie in the center. Whatever cheese that you have in your fridge would be perfect for the charcuterie board. In between the rows, add your favorite crackers and baguette bread, and don't forget the dipping sauces. This is a very cool idea for a charcuterie board. I love to add 4 dipping bowls filled with olive oil with seasoning sprinkled on top. Don't forget to add some fruit. I love to add figs, but you can add any kind of dried fruit or even fresh fruit. The way we're going to finish this up is adding vegetables and meat. I love to add sliced cucumbers and carrots, but you can add whatever's in your fridge. The beauty of a charcuterie board is you can almost find everything you need at a farmer's market. When the board is almost complete, I love to fill in the remaining open spaces with little pieces of salami. I like to take salami slices and fold it over and make little flowers. This is an EPIC charcuterie board that is so delicious for a large group of people. The work is done on the front end, and you get to sit down and enjoy your guests for the whole entire evening. The best part is bringing people together. I love how everybody mingles around this board for hours, and we sip on our favorite drinks and we munch on the food, and this truly is a dish of community. You can find this full recipe at ReluctantEntertainer.com.